Pope, which we address as a Holy Father, cannot approve gay marriage. If he approved gay marriage, he's already working against divinity. He's already working against divine instruction. Divine instruction, no man of God. Any man of God that go contrary to it is an antichrist.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi speak out for what Pope said that man should marry his own gender. This video, I just want you to cool down. Watch this video to the end. He has given this explanation and also said that end time is near. I don't know why he said that, but cool down to watch this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it as well, leave your comment below, tell me what you feel about this video. And one thing, if you never subscribe on my YouTube channel, subscribe and put on notification so that anytime, any moment I post video, you will be notified. I want you to watch this video till end. May God bless you as you watch it, and let us pray for the church.
There is a controversy going on social media that the Pope has approved gay. Let's look into, let me say one or two things about it, because there's a lot of people that are following Zion ministry. Millions, not just thousands. Read Leviticus 18:22 fast.
Leviticus 18:22. No man is to have sexual relations with another man. God hates that.
No man should have sexual relation with another fellow man. God hates that. This is divine instruction. No man of God can change it. No pastor, no clergy can change it. Now, when the news about Pope has approved gay, I read the instruction that what he really approved is that such people, such irregular marriage can be blessed, but not wedding. With what I read, he did not approve wedding of a man and a man or a woman and a woman. He never approved it. Wedding is like a sacrament. Sacrament as a Catholic church, in a Catholic church, wedding is a sacrament of matrimony. So the Pope did not approve sacrament of matrimony between a man and a man or a woman and a woman. But he simply approved their blessing. Like, if they come to the church, you can't deny anybody blessing. Even if he's a witch doctor that come to the church, you can bless them. Because as a priest, you are born to bless. Anybody that come to you as a man of God, that seek for your blessing, you bless them. So I think that is what he approved. But not that he approved wedding. Joining them together. Because if he joined them together, that means if he approved joining a man and a man, he is already working against divine instruction. Divine instruction. Because them on YouTube. Now, here okua ne fire na efremo. 31 on YouTube. Now, Pope, which we address as a Holy Father, cannot approve gay marriage. If he approved gay marriage, he's already working against divinity. He's already working against divine instruction. Divine instruction, no man of God. Any man of God that go contrary to it is an antichrist. Divine instruction in the book of Genesis is that for this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and join with a woman. And what God joined together, let no man put asunder. For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and join with a woman. Not a man or joining with a man, or a woman or joining with a woman. We must pray for the church. We must pray. That is why there is no mass every day in the Catholic Church. Anytime any father is celebrating mass, they normally mention the name of the Pope. The church needs prayer. The pressure is not easy. We are in the last days. There was a pressure. Some members of the church were pushing. Even some cardinals, some bishops were pushing for it. It's not a new thing to say. So, for Pope to come out and say they can be blessed, it's just for you. I know that it wouldn't have been his will. It wouldn't have been his will to come out and say you can bless them, but don't wed them. Even for him to come out and say they can be blessed is out of pressure. I have people in Vatican. There are some bishops, some priests that called me from Vatican. That the pressure is not a small one. We are in the last days. That is why the Bible said that the judgment will start from the house of God. It is written. For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and join with a woman, and what God joined together, let no man put asunder. Anytime the church says a man should wed man, woman should wed man, that means the person is no longer representing Jesus Christ. That person is antichrist. So what the Pope approve is a blessing. Like when people come to you for blessing, you can't deny anybody blessing. That is simply what I mean. I know that Pope approved. Not that he approved that they should be wed. Like joining them together. No. Even that blessing of a thing, I know is out of pressure. Because there are so many antichrists in the church. So many people that are men of God are agents of Lucifer. Why I want to address this is because of Zion members all over the world. Oh, Daddy, is that true? You know, as a man who have a lot of followers, I need to make a comment so that my people will not be misled. Homosexual is abomination. Lesbianism is abomination. We don't have that nature. Any man you see that are having feelings for a fellow man is possessed. Any woman you see having feelings for a fellow woman, watch them, they have beasts in them. And most of these beasts are inside the church. Some men of God are into it. And they are the ones that are pushing for this. They are not only pushing for homosexual in the church. They are pushing for women to be ordained reverend father. Why in a period there? Why in a bandage in Uku every month? Ibu father. They are not only pushing for gay, they are also pushing for women to be ordained. So people should continue to pray for the church. We are in the last days. These things are expected. Don't be involved in a homosexual. Don't be involved in lesbian.